3 Fitness is a solid, affordable fitness tracker with the useful addition of smartphone notifications, providing extra functionality over some of its rivals. The Suunto 3 Fitness is a fitness-focused watch aimed at the cheaper end of the wearable market. Offering 80 preloaded fitness profiles, a built-in heart rate monitor and the ability to display your phone notifications, it has strong foundations. The Suunto 3 Fitness has an attractive design, with the metallic bezel around the display adding a slightly premium finish to the watch. It's extremely lightweight, and we were surprised by just how light it was when we strapped it on our wrist during CES 2018. The heart rate monitor protrudes from the rear of the watch case, allowing it to press onto your skin, but it's not uncomfortable. There are 5 buttons on the 3 Fitness as the screen isn't touch sensitive, so all control comes from these keys. You'll find 3 buttons on the right and 2 on the left. Suunto has made the 3 Fitness waterproof up to 30 meters, and you can take it swimming, an activity only a handful of fitness wearables can actually survive. Straps can be easily swapped for different styles, colors and materials, allowing you to adapt the look and feel of the watch. The screen is a decent size, but is basic in terms of resolution and color reproduction. It's not going to dazzle you with quality, and the low-power screen needs to be angled in the light just right to give you the best view. Suunto claims the 3 Fitness will last a full week on a single charge, and we'll be sure to put that to the test in our in-depth review in the coming weeks.